Oh, hello, first grade. Welcome back to Number Corner. I'm super excited. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Welcome back, and let's get started right away. So, yesterday I gave you guys a sneak peek of our shape for today. So, our shape for today is, let's take a closer look. I'm going to zoom in. What shape is this? And I have my shape right here. Again, parents, you can find the shape cutout sheet. It's right in the calendar and you can print it out for your child to cut out. So, what shape do you think this is based on its attributes and how do you know? Parents, you can ask your child that. Feel free to push pause and ask your child. Well, if you said it's a pentagon, you're correct. It is. A pentagon has 5 sides. So that's why it's a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. And some pentagons are different, and some pentagons are a little smaller. It doesn't matter the size of the shape as long as the attributes are the same. So we're going to figure out if this shape is a symmetrical or is it asymmetrical. So we're going to quickly review what symmetry is. So symmetry is the property of a shape that can be folded so the two halves match exactly. So we're going to do that by folding it because that's how we can tell the shape is a symmetrical shape or not. So we're going to do that and we're going to use the imaginary line, which is called the line of symmetry. And the line of symmetry divides a shape into two identical or mirrored images. So we're going to try that. So I'm going to fold it in half first. So when I fold it this way, there are no matches. So there's no matches. So let's fold it. I'm going to try it another way. I'm going to fold it this way, horizontally. And again, there's no matches. See? There's no matches. So when I fold it and the other side isn't identical or it's not a match, then that means it's an asymmetrical shape. It's an asymmetrical shape. So let's go to our April calendar observation, and we're going to put in our shape of the day, which is a pentagon. And this pentagon, this one right here that we have today, this was an asymmetrical shape because the side, nothing was equal. It could not be folded into equal parts. So I'm going to put no. I'm going to get my check mark. And I'm going to put it under the no column. How many of you guys knew it was going to be no? Based on the pattern so far. A few weeks ago, we noticed that the pattern was all yes. It was yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no. So yesterday was yes, and on the 19th was yes. So how many of you guys knew that today was going to be an asymmetrical shape based on the pattern? If you did, you were right. It is a no. It is an asymmetrical shape for today. So I want to go back quickly because we forgot. I'm so sorry we forgot what we're going to do with our letters. I wanted to tell you the special thing we're going to do with our letters. So I'm going to do that really quickly. So we have our letters E, H, S, and W. E, H, S, and W. So I'm going to go here. And it says, use the letters from the month's calendar markers to make a word that answers this clue. What do you think we're going to do with the words? That's right. We're going to see what the clue is by unscrambling the words. So I'm just going to place the words under here for now. I'm going to place the letters. I'm going to place the letters under each box for now. So my first letter was an E. Then we said H. Make it just a little taller so it won't look like an N. There we go. And then we said, let's see. We said E, we said H, S. And our last letter so far, W. So these are the letters we have so far. But in our mystery, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each box needs a letter. So we have 4 letters so far, but the word needs 6 letters. So how many more letters do we need in order for us to figure out the clue? That's right. We need 2 more letters because we have 4. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. So I go 4, 5, 6. So we're missing 2 more letters to figure out a clue. So we're going to leave that there for now. And hopefully by the end of the month, we'll know all of our letters to figure out the magical word, the clue word. So I cannot wait to get to that. All right, so we're going to move on with our number corner. So here I made my pentagon just for you guys to practice. You can also go on the blog page on the Collabs website on both, and you can make this on the geo board, and you can try and you can see why this shape is an asymmetrical. All right, so we've been in school, we've been learning for 100 days, and we just count on from 100. When counting on from 100, hold 1 second. There we go. Where is Oh, there we go. Sorry, friends. I got a little lost. So when we count over 100, you just count on. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137. So yesterday was 137 days, and today makes 138. So we've been learning for 138 days. 138 days. 138 days. All right, so yesterday was 137. So today it's 138. So in our 100 place, 100. Do we need to change anything in there? No. 130, no. 8. So which place value do we need to change? That's right, the 1. So I'm going to change my 7 and make it an 8. And you read that as 138. I'm going to add a square because add a 1s because it was 7. Now there are 8. 5 at the top, 3 at the bottom. 138. And then when I stretch that number out, it becomes 138. But I'm going to show you another way that we talked about before. And this I'm just going to use one color for now because I'm going to do a lot of writing. So I'm going to use one color for now. So the first way we've been learning is this way. 100 plus 30 plus 8. And we know that expanded form means to stretch those numbers apart and add them. So I stretched that out, 138. And now I'm going to stretch out another way. I know that 50 plus 50 equals 100. So I'm going to expand it just a little more. I'm going to break the numbers down just a little more. So all you got to do is decompose these numbers. Decompose means to break down. So I'm going to break down 100 into 50 plus 50. And what 2 numbers will give me 30? How can I break this down? 20. Ooh, I know 20 plus 10. Break down 30. And I can also break down this 8 and make it 4 plus 4, a double. Can you break this down in another way? I want to see if you can do that. So we broke it down and showed it another way from 130 plus 8. So I broke it down to 50 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4. Can you figure out another way to break this down in expanded form? Try it out and let me know. We're going to move on with our number corner. We're going to go to our popsicle sticks data collection sheet. So yesterday was 3. We had 3 popsicle sticks. There we go. We had 3 popsicle sticks. So today we're going to go to the spinner. And we're going to spin. Here we go. All right, our spinner landed on 3 again today. So I'm going to add 3 more popsicle sticks. So yesterday we had 3, and I'm going to count on 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 popsicle sticks. So I know that on my 5th popsicle stick, I can make it like this. So we know that that is 5. I can make them a little closer. And then one more is 6. So an equation that we can write for that can be 3 plus 3. That's right. Which equals 6. We can do 5 plus 1. That equals 6. Well, what about subtraction? We're talking about subtraction just a little. Ooh, 7. Take away 1 equals 6. So the whole, the bigger number is 7. So I have 7 fingers, and I take away 1. I have 6 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 fingers left. That's why 7 minus 1, or 7 take away 1 equals 6. And then I'm going to do one more subtraction. 10 take away 4. The reason why I know that 10 take away 4 is 6, because I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. If I was to unzip that problem, it will be 6. If I was to unzip it, it will be 6. I'm unzipping in it, and 6 plus 4 equals 10. But I was to zip it up, it'll be 10 take away 4 equals 6. So that's why I know that 10 take away 4 is 6. All right, friends. That was our number corner for today. Let me know what you guys figured out for the expanded form problem. I want to see as many ways as you can figure out other expanded word problems. Also, friends, we're going to take a sneak peek about tomorrow's card. Let's take a look. All right, there's the card for tomorrow. I cannot wait to see you guys on Wednesday. Have a great rest of your day. See you later, friends.